Number 1. 1984 GMC 2500 truck, $2,800, Canyon Country, California. This 1984 GMC 2500 3/4-ton truck is powered by a strong 454 cubic inch big block V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and two-wheel drive. It features a long bed configuration and a rare four-door cab with 2 bench seat rows, providing practical passenger space. The truck shows 46,000 miles and comes with a clean title. The seller reports that all fluids were recently changed, and the truck runs and drives excellent. At $2,800 in Canyon Country, California, it is an affordable classic American work truck with strong hauling capability. Number 2. 1950 Chevrolet 6100 Series dump truck, $7,500, Morgan Hill, California. This 1950 Chevrolet 6100 dump truck is powered by a 235 cubic inch Loadmaster inline 6-cylinder engine with a 4-speed manual transmission. It has 42,503 miles and a clean title. Partially restored in 1997 with work on the engine, hydraulic dump system, brakes, wiring, muffler, and tires. Rated at 16,000 pounds gross vehicle weight and priced at $7,500 in Morgan Hill, California. Number 3. 1954 Ford F600 Marmon Harrington, $7,500, Millville, California. This 1954 Ford F600 Marmon Harrington 4-wheel drive truck is a rare heavy-duty utility vehicle previously used by the Department of Forestry. It features a V8 engine, 4-speed manual transmission with splitter, and a large power takeoff winch. The truck starts and runs but needs restoration. It also includes a spare engine and many original equipment manufacturer parts. Priced at $7,500 in Millville, California, it is an interesting project for collectors of rare industrial trucks. Number 4. 1966 Chevrolet C20 Custom Camper, $7,000, Norwalk, California. The 1966 Chevrolet C20 Custom Camper pickup is a classic 3/4-ton truck powered by a V8 engine with a 3-speed floor-shift manual transmission. The odometer shows 100,000 miles but is broken. While the truck is missing the tailgate, it includes original trim and parts, making it a good restoration candidate. Located in Norwalk, California, this vintage Chevrolet truck is offered at $7,000. Number 5. 1967 Ford F-250 Highboy 4-wheel drive, $7,000, Tucson, Arizona. This 1967 Ford F-250 Highboy is a classic 4-wheel drive 3/4-ton pickup powered by a 352 cubic inch V8 engine with a 4-speed manual transmission. The odometer reads 10,000 miles but has rolled over. Known for its tall stance and durability, the Highboy is respected among collectors. The truck runs and drives well and is priced at $7,000 in Tucson, Arizona. Number 6. 1979 Chevrolet C10 Shortbed Round Eye, $8,900, Canyon, Texas. The 1979 Chevrolet C10 Shortbed Square Body is a highly desirable project truck. It features a 400 cubic inch small block V8 engine and turbo 350 automatic transmission. Recent upgrades include a new fuel system, rebuilt Edelbrock carburetor, new starter, battery, and suspension components. With aftermarket dual exhaust and a solid frame, this truck offers a strong foundation for restoration. It is listed for $8,900 in Canyon, Texas. Number 7. 1973 GMC Sierra Grande 2500, $6,500, Healdsburg, California. This 1970 GMC Sierra Grande 2500 is an early square body truck powered by a big block 454 V8 engine with a manual transmission. The Sierra Grande trim offered upgraded comfort and styling compared to base models. The seller reports the truck is well maintained and runs excellent. At $6,500 in Healdsburg, California, it represents a solid classic pickup with strong collector appeal. Number 8. 1983 GMC Short Wheelbase 4-wheel drive, $7,950, Laverkin, Utah. The 1983 GMC Short Wheelbase 4-wheel drive pickup is a desirable square body project truck. Equipped with a V8 engine and manual transmission, it is currently a barn find that needs restoration and is not running. The seller notes it may require fresh fuel, a battery, and minor work. With a clean title and increasing market demand for these trucks, it is priced at $7,950 in Laverkin, Utah. Number 9. 1985 Dodge Ram 50 pickup, $995, Escondido, California. The 1985 Dodge Ram 50 is a compact pickup powered by a 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. It runs but requires some repairs and is described as a good farm truck. The vehicle has a missing title, which buyers should consider. At only $995 in Escondido, California, it is an inexpensive project or utility vehicle. Number 10. 1986 Chevrolet Mzen 28A2 military 4-wheel drive, $8,950, El Paso, Texas. The 1986 Chevrolet Mzen 28A2 military pickup is a rare truck with only about 300 units produced. It is powered by a 6.2-liter diesel engine with an automatic transmission and features heavy-duty components, including a Dana 60 front axle and 14-bolt rear axle with Detroit locker. With 40,210 documented miles, the truck runs excellent and has a cargo capacity of 2 tons. It is listed for $8,950 in El Paso, Texas. Number 11. 1952 Ford F1 pickup hot rod, $29,750, Bullhead City, Arizona. This 1952 Ford F1 pickup hot rod blends classic styling with modern performance. It is powered by a Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck shows 921 miles, likely since the build or restoration. Finished in black with a clean title, it is designed as a custom street cruiser. It is offered for $29,750 in Bullhead City, Arizona.